Hi, we just recently had our EV charger installed by Smart Home Charger. We went with the Ohme Home Pro. We're really happy with the installation from Smart Home Charger. The process was really good. We decided to pick the Ohme one because of its integration with Octopus Energy, who we use as our electricity supplier, and also because of the interactive tool on Smart Home Charger's website where you could pick your vehicle and your energy provider, and it would tell you which charger to use. Overall, really happy with the experience. They did a great job. Everything was really slick. We also liked the ability to use to pay with finance and split the payment monthly. And overall, it's just been a fantastic experience. 10 out of 10 would recommend.